So
Yes.
let's look at data where I like to contradict you.
Yes.
Let me contradict you on the tariff part, which is that we don't know which way things would move. And I'm assuming something will move here or there. So this alignment which will happen because of this entire tariff change, how exactly are markets prepared for it?
So globally, I think there will be a lot of noise, Nikunj, on tariff, and you are already seeing that. But in that environment, I am taking a slightly contrarian view that India probably over the next 2, 3 years will be the biggest beneficiary of this geopolitical issues which are going on. And don't forget that finally, Mr. Trump is a great negotiator rather than being a great politician. And when I say that, look at what happened after post Mr. Modi's meeting. Suddenly, you saw Tesla having a LinkedIn post for recruitments. Suddenly, in the last 2 days, you saw Starlink getting, having a JV with Airtel as well as Jio. And these are all indications towards that give us access to your markets, we should be okay. And our sense is that when we even look at the reciprocal tariffs and what tariffs have been imposed on China, Mexico, Canada, and other places, I think we should be relatively much, much better. Um, People are concerned about pharma, but don't forget that 60% of the generic drugs supplied in US is from Indian pharma companies. And if you raise the tariff, already these companies are not making too much of money. They are making wafer thin margins. Many will just move out of those some of the molecules, and there'll be a huge shortage, which will lead to huge price increase. So I don't think government will take that chance in US, at least on the healthcare side. And rest of the segments, gems and jewelry, carpets, textile, there could be some reciprocal tariff. But from a medium to long term, if you look at, and hoping that relationship between China and US doesn't improve, you will be surprised that a lot of work by the US centric companies will flow to India rather than going to any part of the world. So in this noise, I'll be extremely, optimist on looking at companies which have moats around them. And they can be a great substitute for many of the Chinese and other companies based out of either Mexico or Canada. And that kind of a work and scalability can come back to India in our view. So I don't think India will be as much impacted as the noise is made out to be. But over a period of time, there could be many opportunities for the manufacturing set of companies in India. Just if you look at the horizon for the next 2, 3 years and take an objective call that if it attacks both the largest markets in the world, which is China and India, where will US sell its defense equipment, where will sell its energy, and where will it get markets for US companies? So think about it from an objective angle, and you will think that India probably could be well placed. Right now, the noise is against us, against the markets, so people are getting carried away. But over a period of time, you will come to figure it out.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.